Malacanang ensures it will not interfere with the Independent Commission's reinvestigation on the Mama Sapano encounter. Rosalie Cos will tell us why.
The independent commission that President Rodrigo Duterte will create will come up with its own rules and procedures in reinvestigation on the events connected with the bloody Mama Sapano encounter on January 25, 2015. According to the statement of presidential spokesperson Ernesto Abella, it will perform its investigation without outside intervention. Even President Duterte himself will not be able to intervene in the investigation. However, Malacanang says what is certain is that the rules on due process and fairness would be accorded to everyone concerned, especially to those who will be subjected to the reinvestigation. Yesterday, President Duterte announced his plans of creating an independent body which will look into the events related to the death of the 44 PNP Special Action Force commandos after launching Oplan Exodus to arrest the international terrorist Zulkifli Binhir alias Marwan in Mama Sapano, Maguindanao. President Duterte likened it to the Agrava Commission created by former regime of Ferdinand Marcos to investigate the assassination of Senator Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. Now, under the Duterte administration, an independent commission with same concept will investigate on Ninoy's son, former President Benigno Noynoy Aquino, who was the commander-in-chief of the military and police and approved of the failed police operation.
At the end of the year, and we can have the truth. From the time the plan was maybe be hatched, who were the guys who went to President Aquino to talk about this thing? Maybe you can call the Embassy of the American. What was your role there? And to whom the money was given?
Lawmakers agree with the creation of the said independent commission.
If the President feels na kulang yung ginawang investigation ng BOI, including the investigation conducted by the Senate, that is always his prerogative.
If they need the transcripts of our hearings here, ibigay namin para hindi na ulit-ulitin.
Rosalie Cos, UNTV News and Rescue, Malacanang.